Thank you for being an OhmKat customer. In this video, we will cover how to test whether your doorbell is getting power or not and if there is anything wrong with it. This is an OhmKat power supply. It has a 6-foot wire with a split connector at the end and an additional 6-foot length of wire to enable you to connect a chime if you so choose. OhmKat has a wireless chime that works well with its power supplies and all video doorbells. If your doorbell is not working with your OhmKat, let's troubleshoot together step by step. Let's start with your socket. Does the light on your OhmKat power supply glow orange when you plug it in? If not, then test your socket by plugging in a lamp or any other electronic device. If whatever you plugged in works fine and the OhmKat light does not glow when you plug it in, please reach out to us. We double test every unit before it is sent out for shipment, but very rarely there may be an issue with the unit. You can email us at service@ohmkat.com or send a text or leave a voicemail at 732-876-3034. If your OhmKat does light up when you plug it in, we can move on to checking the split connector junction. Here's how. Make sure your split connector has not pulled apart. The ends are clean and free of dust or dirt, and it is firmly connected. If the split connector junction is working, we can move on to running the OTPT or one-touch power test. This is a patented OhmKat technology that allows you to quickly test your OhmKat from the comfort of your home. Here's how. Touch the wire ends together. Don't worry, there is no risk of shock as this is a low-voltage supply. Hold the wire ends together for 30 seconds. The orange light will dim out to 20% of its intensity. Now briefly separate the wire ends and then retouch them. If the light becomes bright again when the wires are not touching and then dim again when they are touching, your OhmKat is completely fine and delivering full power. OTPT is a safe and reliable test that guarantees your OhmKat is working well. If the orange light does not dim when you touch the wire ends together, please reach out to us. We double test every unit before it is sent out for shipment, but very rarely there may be an issue with the unit. If you have an electrical multimeter, you can also use it to test your OhmKat. Here's how. Set your multimeter to AC volts. Please remember to use AC volts and not DC volts, as your OhmKat is an AC power supply. Once on AC volts, touch the multimeter leads to the OhmKat wire ends. You can use either meter lead to touch either wire end. If the meter shows about 20 to 24 volts, then your OhmKat is working just fine, and when connected to the doorbell will provide it the correct voltage. Now that we know your OhmKat is working well, let's test it with your doorbell. Here's how. Many video doorbells have a back plate, like this one for example. Make sure the back plate is flush against the sides of the doorbell, otherwise electrical contact may not be reliable. Make sure that the wire ends are connected to the terminals of your doorbell. Remember, either wire can be connected to either terminal. Plug in your OhmKat power supply and connect it to your doorbell at the wire ends and at the connector point. Your doorbell should now show its normal signs of activity, like a light, a sound, or both. Your doorbell may take up to a minute to show activity. After your doorbell has powered up, you can then also press the doorbell button to make sure everything is working normally. Try launching the doorbell app and follow instructions within the app for adding the device or checking its activity. If you went through these steps and your doorbell works when connected to your OhmKat power supply, it means everything is working normally and you are all set. If you are still having trouble with your doorbell, please reach out to us via email, service@ohmkat.com, or send a text or leave a voicemail at 732-876-3034. Thank you.